Vanakkam everyone. Today I will be presenting Pasumai Paadasalai, the Green School initiative of the District Climate Change Mission Coimbatore. This program brings together the school education department and eco clubs to connect students with local biodiversity using citizen science platforms. Over the next few minutes, I will share how this initiative was implemented, what the students documented, and the impact is created across our schools. Pasumai Paadasalai is designed to turn schools into living laboratories of biodiversity. Instead of learning only from textbooks, children step outside their classrooms to observe real plants, birds, insects, and organisms. By using iNaturalist, students become part of a global community of observers and researchers. This program empowers teachers and students to generate real scientific data while building ecological awareness. This program has four main objectives. First, to build a biodiversity database created by our own students and teachers. Second, to contribute this data to the People's Biodiversity Register for the Coimbatore district. Third, to enhance student-teacher learning through hands-on nature-based education. And finally, to promote climate awareness and local environmental stewardship. These objectives guide all our field activities and citizen science engagement. We implemented this program across 60 schools, representing different habitats in Coimbatore. Teachers attended an orientation to learn how to document biodiversity and use iNaturalist effectively. Students then took part in field observation sessions in their school gardens, ponds, and open areas. They photographed plants, insects, birds, and uploaded them to iNaturalist. Experts from the platform helped verify species, ensuring the data is reliable. This is our iNaturalist project page. 60 teachers, their students, and volunteers effectively participated and observed more than 4,000 observations over 1,200 species. A parallel part of the program was integrating season watch to study tree phenology. Here, 36 schools monitored 489 individual trees every week. Students observed changes such as new leaves, flowers, fruits. These simple observations help them understand how seasons and climate influence tree behavior. It also builds scientific thinking. Students start noticing and chiming of natural events and asking why they occur. We have circulated a feedback form and collected the response. In that, 97% of the teachers felt that their understanding of the local biodiversity has increased. And the teachers obtained new skills like species observations, basic species identification, and using citizen science platforms through this program. This slide shows some of the feedback we received from teachers. Many teachers highlighted how students became more observant and curious. They began to notice birds, insects, and trees in places they had ignored before. Teachers said how students asked for species names and were eager to understand what they observed. This shows how citizen science directly enhances learning. These responses are particularly meaningful because they show genuine behavioral change. Students didn't just participate during school hours. They went home and continued observing plants and trees. Some visited nearby ponds to watch water birds and asked teachers follow-up questions. When students start learning independently out of curiosity, we know the program is successful. Our next steps include continuing regular biodiversity data collection and integrating the program into the curriculum so that it becomes a sustained annual practice. We aim to develop the Coimbatore District People's Biodiversity Register using the data generated by students. We also help to expand Pasumai Paadasalai to more schools, communities, and local ecosystems. This is our small team of Pasumai Paadasalai. I would like to acknowledge the district climate change mission led by Thiru Pavan Kumar G. Thiriyapavanar IAS and the school education department for their continuous support. A special thanks to Mr. N. Balasamy, coordinator of NGC Coimbatore, and Dr. P. Jagannathan from Tamil Birders Network for their guidance. And I extended my thanks to Sugita Mugil from Season Watch and Selva Ganesh K from Tamil Birders Network. Finally, my heartfelt appreciation to all my headmasters, teachers, students, volunteers, and resource persons whose enthusiasm made this project a success. Thank you.